Hey guys! Today I will be playing with the Kinetic Sand Truck Ice Cream Playset. Here you can pick which ice cream you'd like and I can make it for you. They're nice and yummy. The set comes with a sundae bowl, a scooper to scoop the ice cream, and a cone. Also, blue and pink kinetic sand. These are such stress relievers. You're gonna love them. Now, I'm gonna pull this out and put the cone in. And it also comes with 2 molds. We can use these for the toppings. Now, let's use our green cone to make a nice ice cream just like this one in the picture. I am going to use blue kinetic sand. Oh, look at that. Wow, nice and relaxing. Now, my truck has a handle. There's a hole here, so we can put some kinetic sand inside. And turn the handle around. Ooh, look! 1 scoop popped out. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm gonna pull the cone out. Our ice cream is ready. Now, I am going to make a pink sundae with a sundae bowl and put some pink toppings with the molds here, okay? Let's take the blue one out. Here. Oh. How many scoops would you like? I think 3 is fine. Whoop. 2 scoops. And 1 more. Now, would you guys like to make some toppings? Yay! Blue toppings. Let's take the mold out. Okay. I think I am going to put a cherry topping. Ah, there's a strawberry too. My second mold can be a strawberry. Ah, look at my cherries. Now I'm gonna make a strawberry. There, my strawberry is also ready. Let me look at the other mold. Ah, a star. No, a heart. I love hearts. Let's make a heart. Look. It's a heart. And let's make a ribbon. Ah, our ribbon is ready too. Yay! Bon appetit, guys! Yum, yum, yum! Bye-bye.